If you are looking for a house in the peaceful area, yet with a convenience of the amenities and school nearby, this could be a right for you. Block 334C Anchorvale Crescent offer lots of amenities within reach. 3 minutes walk to Farmway LRT and just 2 stations to Sengkang MRT. Campus 1 shopping mall and catch-up movie at the Seletar Mall, Sengkang Sports Complex, 7 minutes walk to Sengkang Supermarket. Hi, I'm Emily Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Come with me today to find out this beautiful home. This is a 4A corner unit. The main door for this unit is facing west and the living facing east. The living room is spacious and it fits in a large sofa set. This full height window brings in a lot of natural lights to give this house a warm and cozy feeling. This functional kitchen, you will never run out of storage space with top and bottom cabinets. This backyard area where you can use it for your laundry purposes. The spacious master bedroom, it can fit in a king-size bed and yet still got plenty of space. All the 3 bedrooms come with timber flooring and are away from the living room that give you a privacy when you have visitors. If you are working from home or children study from home, this spacious common bedroom can convert to a study room with a greenery view. Thank you for visiting this home tour today. If you like what you see, call me.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.